Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show you in this video how to record meetings when you are hosting in your Arattai app. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to record your Arattai app meeting when you are hosting, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you have to open your Arattai app. In top left side corner you will find three horizontal lines. Tap on that, then tap on settings. After that, here you will find call and meeting option. You have to tap on this, not this one. You have to tap on calls and meetings. You have to tap on this. After that, here you can see, first you have to scroll down. Last second option you will find recordings. Record meetings you host. You have to just enable this option. After enabling, when you host any meeting in your Arattai app, then automatic recording will start. That's it guys. So in this way you can enable record meeting when you host Arattai app. That's it guys. So this way you can enable record meeting when you host in your Arattai app. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.